Kobe Offcourt Slide Persian Violet joins Nike's growing line of coordinated off-court gear, aligning perfectly with the FC Barcelona-inspired Kobe 4 Protro, Air Force 1, and matching jersey. Wrapped in a regal Persian violet hue, the slide sports a molded footbed for comfort and a snake-textured strap, a subtle nod to Kobe Bryant's black Mamba legacy. A black-trimmed 3D Kobe Sheath logo makes a bold statement atop the strap. Designed for relaxation and recovery, this slide blends style with purpose, allowing fans to extend their Kobe rotation beyond the hardwood. Nike's continued pairing of slides with signature sneaker releases showcases its commitment to offering a complete lifestyle collection. The Persian Violet colorway ties into the entire Barcelona drop, enhancing the cohesiveness of the pack. Expect the Kobe Offcourt Slide to release soon via Nike.com, giving fans a fresh way to rep Kobe both on and off the court.